guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here for a while, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. So I was kind of looking for a way to restore my Gucci bag to how it was originally when I got it, right? So I went online, I was googling and I came across the registry. It's basically an online service. Like, they restore luxury brands, do cleaning services, they do, like, stitching, all that good stuff on shoes, bags, any designer brands. I saw them and I was like, okay, I'm gonna give this a try because I do need to clean this bag because the bag was looking really filthy. Like, every time I wasn't even using it anymore because I'd be so shy, like, oh, this bag looks really horrible, by the way. And it had like one time my eyeshadow palette broke, right? So it kind of like went on the back of the bag, and that was when it all started. And then you know how sweetie things are. So how this whole service works is that you go on their website, have a system where you would book it online, and then they send you a quote, and you can either accept the call or decline. You can send pictures of what the item looks like, so by that they can give you an estimated quote. If it's your first time, you could get a discount or something like that. By the way, this is not a sponsored video, okay? I'm just doing this video to help people who may be looking for a place to restore their bag. So yeah, so I booked it, and then it's usually via DHL. So DHL will pick up the bag, take it to them, they will restore it, clean it up, whatever you want, and then return it back to you, through DHL. So it took I sent it off, and then it took 2 weeks for me to get it back, okay, between when I sent it and when I got the email to like say my bag was ready and I needed to book. They will tell you that your bag is ready. They'll send you a link, and then you can place the booking for the courier to return your item, and you get to pick the day and the time and whatever, which is good because you may not be at home, blah blah blah. Like, you basically pick what time suits you, right? So they return your item back to you, which I found very useful. So when I sent my bag, they gave me a quote of, I think it was so it was £102.50 to fix this. So I got my package back, and now I'm gonna open it. So we're gonna see what they've been able to do. I will also insert a clip of like what the bag used to look like before they fixed it. Okay, should I be excited? Because I don't know. So this was what this bag looked like before it was fixed. The pictures even make it look nice, but I promise you guys, it looked really crazy. So they actually put these things in there to like protect your bag, right? And then there is this, okay? So they seal your bag in that, the registry. Oh, the packaging is so nice how they package your bag back to you. Because when I was sending it off, trust and believe me, it wasn't this pretty. I'm telling you guys, like, it wasn't this pretty. So they put in a dust bag, says the registry. Should I see that? Okay. The bag actually feels very cold. I don't know what they've done to it. It feels really cold for some reason. Okay. Then it's sealed like this, okay. Okay. Alright, let me just do this. Oh wow, guys, look at this. Oh my god, guys, look at the back. I'm telling you guys, like, this bag, this is a close-up, okay? This bag was not this pretty when I sent it away. I'm telling you guys. Over here, it had like marks. They've done a really good job. Oh wow, they cleaned all of the interior as well. Cleaned all of the inside. Like, this part, it had like makeup because the whole makeup thing just went on it, like it was stained. Clean the whole thing up. it was not this, I promise you guys, it was not this pretty when I was sending it. So basically they've done a good job. I mean, I'm not complaining, you know. So now I can wear my bag again with pride, okay? Because it was looking very mad, trust me guys, it was. So yeah, this is it. Overall, I'm pleased with the service. Would I use them again? Yes, I would. So I 100% recommend them. So yeah, I'm happy. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, okay? And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, choose au revoir, and also share this video if you care. Thank you so much. Bye guys.